Hi, this is Dave Philippi, and I'm going to show you now a couple of different ways of adding different size tubings and flat bars to the existing pull-down lists on the AutoRail program that may not already exist there. So I'm just going to click on a level rail program here and go to the members. Now, let's just say that I want to change this top rail here to a different size. So I'm going to click on it and go to rectangular tube, and I only have a 50 by 100 in here. Now you notice we're working in the metric version. All this stuff works the same with the imperial / feet and inches version as well. So what we can do, there's two ways we can handle this. We can just, for short term, just click other and then just key in a new thickness, say 40 by 80. Check NA, click OK, and let's just draw it, see if it looks good, and do this that way, and then then go in and save this railing as a drawing template, and it will save the custom size that we put in here. Now, if you want to make the 40 by 80 a permanent member of the pull-down list here, we can do that. We can just go get out of this for now, go to the customized box over here, do the fly out. This is the customized box here, and we're going to select the material selection tab, go to rectangular tube, and we have this is the 50 by 100 that was on the pull down list. I'm just going to highlight that. We're going to copy that and create a new item. Instead of starting from scratch with adding a new item here, we just copy an existing one and just change it. So we'll change the 50 to 40, and we'll change the 100 to 80, and then we'll go in here to the thickness and we'll make that 40, and the width, make that 80. Okay, we have some other numbers here. This OTD stands for post top distance. So that from the top of the top bar to the top of the post is currently set at 50. We're creating a new piece that's 40, so I'm going to change 50 to 40. And the ITD is picket top distance from the top of the top bar to the top of the picket is now 50. We want to make that 40. So that everything, whatever item you're replacing as far as the width and the height, you just change your new numbers to update those. So I'll click OK there, and now we have a new piece on the pull down list. I'm going to go ahead and move it up so it sets above this, the smaller one sets above the larger one. Now if you're working in feet and inches, you can enter all these same thicknesses, but if it's like a ½ inch or something like that, you're going to have to use decimals. You can't use fractions. You have to use the decimal equivalent of fractions, okay? So now I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to go back in here and I want to go back and click that. Now the 40 is added to the pull-down list. And I can keep adding additional sizes if I want to while I'm in the middle of that routine. Now, one important thing you need to do is when you've gone through and added all these different sizes, you want to go back to the Customize box here, and you want to export settings. So I'm going to click that, and it says you're about to overwrite the rail settings file you want to export. Yes, I want to update that file to save all these settings in case I want to move it to a new computer, or something happens and the computer crashes, you lose your hard drive or something like that. So we've exported the settings to the C FabCAD Premium Millimeter Rail Settings folder. Okay, what a rail settings file. So let me show you where that is. When the program is first installed, all of the AutoRail settings and templates are located under Windows FabCAD Premium folder. Okay, and we'll go to the AutoRail settings. If you go then to find out exactly where yours is located, you go to the set folder command, and it shows you the exact location of your settings are. And then you want to back those settings up, save them somewhere, because you you can come back and import them to the program when you're reinstalling it if you have a major computer crash or something like that. So that's how you update and add parts to your pull down list. Take care. Bye.